this is my car collection. So you see, I got it for Christmas, and this is a place where my cars keep safe. So my cars are safe in here. Like all the guys I use for my videos. This is my first 2021 video. And I'm happy to be with you guys in 2021. And all the subscribers you gave me in 2020 is exciting. These cars are maybe the cars you have not seen before, but no, not starting with this one. And this one, that car and this car. This car and this car. This car and that car. This car and this car. Alright, let me know what you guys think of the car collection. I'll see you in the next video.